Oh, the sun is out, it's warm, it's nice. So I want something that's kind of cool and refreshing, and that's going to be a coconut pineapple mousse. I'm going to begin with adding 3 packets of unflavored gelatin to a large bowl. Of course, you got to cut the end off where you can get the gelatin out. Okay. And to that, then I'm going to add half a cup of pineapple juice. Okay. I'm going to stir that just a little bit. And then I'm going to let it set here. Now, it only needs to set for about a minute. But while we're waiting on that, I'm going to put the other 1.5 cups of pineapple juice in a small pan, and I'm going to bring that to a boil. Okay, my 1.5 cups of pineapple juice is now come to a boil, and I'm just going to add that now to my pineapple juice and unflavored gelatin over here in this bowl. And I'm going to stir that until it kind of mixes in. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. Then I'm going to leave this here on the counter until it comes to room temperature. I guess it'd be nice if I added the salt. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we let it sit on the counter and cool. Okay, our time is up and we have mixed all of that in there really good. To that now I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream. Three tablespoonfuls of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And 1 teaspoon of almond extract. Stir that up good, and then I'm going to put this in the refrigerator until it becomes nice and chilled. And it will have kind of a consistency of what the white does on an egg. Yeah. And it might be a good idea to go ahead and put your coconut in. It's set right here in front of me all day, and now I'm just now thinking of it. So we're going to put that in there and stir that in real good. Then it'll go into the refrigerator, set and chill. Michael's making fun of me because I got this little bowl to whip this whipped cream. He says, you're going to splash that everywhere. Let's see if I can prove him wrong. Okay, I have 1 cup of whipping cream. And I'm going to whip that until it's nice and thick. Okay. Now you can see whenever it's done because it will kind of hold its shape. Nice. It's not real thick, but it's thick. It's thick enough. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take this whipping cream and I'm going to fold it into my mixture here with my pineapple juice and unflavored gelatin. Now the one thing about this dessert, you can put it in a mold and mold it. All you have to do is lightly grease your mold, pour this in your mold, and then let it set up in the refrigerator until it's nice and thick. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put it in a 9x9 pan. And we're going to dip that out. That is so light and fluffy. Make sure that you get it mixed up good. And you can see all of the pineapple is mixed in with the whipped cream. Okay. I'm going to pour that into my pan. When the weather begins to get warm, I like something that is just a little light. And this is a very light dessert. I'm gonna spread that out where it's even to the sides. And here I have half a cup of sweetened coconut, and I'm just going to sprinkle that on the top. I'm going to put it back in the refrigerator until it is set very good, and then we're going to get this out, and we're going to have a nice little bowl. Give this one a try. It's a great summer dessert. Light, fluffy, airy, all that you want.